Welcome back to the Help Desk, where we help you solve your technical questions. Today on the channel, we're going to help our distance learning teachers get a little more attention of their students. Let's get started. As a parent, we've seen it all. Kids have 30 squares on their screen, they can't see who is who, and as a teacher, you are trying to show them a worksheet or a video. Well, I'm going to show you how you can always make sure they can always see you. Of course, that doesn't stop them from not watching, but one thing at a time. As the host of a Zoom meeting, you have the control to put a spotlight on the person or content window that you want your students to pay attention to. In most cases, it will be your camera, and other times you may want it to be another student. In order to do this, all you have to do is click the little three dots of your video window, then click Spotlight for Everyone. When you do this, your window will be centered and enlarged for all the students to see, no matter what view they may be in. And if you want to show a student who might be presenting a project to the class, you can also spotlight them with you, or you can choose to spotlight them by themselves. And when you are done using the spotlight feature, just click Remove Spotlight. I know all of you teachers out there are doing your best with distance learning. Hope this helps make it a little easier to connect with your students. See you next time. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me decide on what questions need answering next. See you next time.